I'm putting in the hard work, and hard workers deserve all their props and perks. For putting in the hard work, Big Bang still a minister of
We tired of it, we tired of it.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is another passion fruit plant that I've ordered, and I've ordered this from Everglades. Guys, I love passion fruit. I tried to grow it before, and it grew very successful, but I didn't know how to self-pollinate it. Let me open this from the bottom first. I didn't know how to self-pollinate it, so the tree was beautiful, blossoms and everything. I didn't have too much bees or nothing to pollinate it, so didn't make no fruits really, to be honest with you. So now I know how to self-pollinate them. I got this one from Everglades. It's a pretty big one, and it needs water. So when I plant this in the ground, I'm gonna let you guys know. So if you want a nice plant from Everglades, go on there and order them. That's Everglades Farm. I'm gonna plant this. When I plant it, I'll let you guys see what the roots, you know, what I do and everything, and what I use for fertilizer. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
I'm putting in the hard work, and hard workers deserve all their props and perks. For putting in the hard work.